Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. I'm out in the woods cutting some wood. Thanksgiving Day. No better time than to get some exercise or get started on some exercise. I went and bought me a new saw this week. I've got a steel 280 that I've had for about 15 years. Haven't ever had a minute's problem with it. Done a little checking around and decided that this was the new saw that I'd get. This is a 391. She's got a 28-inch skip tooth chain on it. The young man that helped me up there at Star Lawn and Garden in Wayland, Michigan, man, he's way knowledgeable before his time. That young man, he knows his stuff. There wasn't no talking me into it or anything. I like the confidence in that young man. It's a family-owned and operated business up there. I don't know how long they've been there, but I found them about a month and a half ago. They sure are friendly people, and they know what they're talking about. I could say I was 100% satisfied with this saw, but I'd be lying to you. I'm 250% satisfied with this saw. Whether you like steel saws or not, they sell others. This is my flavor. I like my steels. This is an outstanding machine right here. So if you guys need any help with anything, you can give Star Lawn and Garden up there a call. Outstanding people. Haven't got enough good to say about them. They're outstanding. Y'all have a great day. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you around. Thank you. Bye.